watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own decisions and your own safety. Don't try this unless you're a highly trained and certified electrician, or you'll die for sure. Okay, so what you want to do is grab yourself a pair of screwdrivers with the metal parts that don't go all the way to the end, preferably. That way you have more insulation, in case the insulation isn't perfect against electricity. And you want to shove the screwdriver in there, into one of the terminals. Make sure you use one hand, and then shove the other screwdriver in the other terminal, and touch them together. But make sure you use one hand, that way the electricity doesn't go from one hand to the other and pass through your heart. Or better yet, make one of these.